Are you scrolling through Instagram, wondering if there's more to it than just likes and comments? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're diving into the world of Instagram money-making strategies. Yes, you heard it right. Instagram isn't just a platform for sharing selfies and food pics, it's a gold mine waiting for you to tap into. So, if you've ever dreamt of turning your passion into profit or wondered how those influencers make a living, stick around because we're about to unravel the secrets. From sponsored content to selling merchandise, we've got you covered with 6 solid strategies to help you monetize your Instagram presence like a pro. Number 1. Sponsored content partnerships. Sponsored content partnerships are the backbone of many Instagram creators' revenue streams, providing a steady income while allowing them to collaborate with brands they believe in. These partnerships go beyond just promoting products. They're about building authentic connections with both the brand and the audience. By seamlessly integrating sponsored content into their feed, creators can maintain the trust and engagement of their followers while delivering valuable exposure to the brand. Moreover, sponsored partnerships offer creators the opportunity to diversify their content and explore new creative avenues. Whether it's showcasing a new product in a creative way or telling a compelling brand story, sponsored content allows creators to flex their creative muscles and engage their audience in new and exciting ways. But perhaps the most significant benefit of sponsored partnerships is the financial stability they provide. Unlike other monetization strategies that rely on factors like engagement and follower count, sponsored content offers creators a guaranteed income for their work, allowing them to focus on creating quality content without the stress of fluctuating revenue. Number 2. Selling merchandise. As Instagram creators build a loyal following, many find themselves looking for ways to monetize their audience beyond sponsored content. Selling merchandise is a natural next step, allowing creators to leverage their brand and connect with fans on a deeper level. But selling merchandise is more than just slapping your logo on a t-shirt. It's about creating products that resonate with your audience and reflect your brand's values. From designing and manufacturing to marketing and fulfillment, selling merchandise requires careful planning and execution. Platforms like Pietra streamline the process, allowing creators to focus on what they do best, creating content. Moreover, selling merchandise on Instagram opens up new revenue streams and diversifies creators' income sources, reducing reliance on sponsored content and advertising revenue. Plus, with Instagram shopping, creators can create a seamless shopping experience for their followers, making it easier than ever for fans to support their favorite creators. Number 3. Instagram bonus incentives. While Instagram is primarily known as a social networking platform, it also offers bonus incentives for creators to monetize their presence on the app. These incentives, ranging from monetary rewards to exclusive opportunities, provide creators with additional ways to earn money directly from Instagram itself. One of the most common bonus incentives is the opportunity to participate in Instagram's incentive program, where creators are rewarded for completing specific tasks or achieving certain milestones on the platform. This could include going live a certain number of times, reaching a certain number of views on a reel, or posting consistently over a period of time. But the perks don't stop there. Instagram also offers bonuses for creators who participate in special programs or initiatives, such as creator funds, grants, or sponsored campaigns. These opportunities can provide creators with a steady source of income and exposure, helping them grow their presence on the platform and reach new audiences. However, it's important to note that Instagram bonus incentives are typically invite-only and may require creators to meet certain eligibility criteria. This could include having a minimum number of followers, maintaining a high level of engagement, or adhering to community guidelines. Overall, Instagram bonus incentives offer creators a valuable opportunity to monetize their content and leverage their influence on the platform, providing an additional source of income and support for their creative endeavors. Number 4. User-generated content. User-generated content, UGC, is not just a trend. It's a powerful tool for both creators and brands on Instagram. Traditionally, UGC referred to content created organically by users, but now it's evolved into a strategic partnership between influencers and brands. Instead of costly production processes, brands are turning to creators to produce authentic, relatable content that resonates with their audience. This shift towards UGC has revolutionized the way brands engage with their customers, offering a more authentic and diverse representation of their products or services. For creators, UGC partnerships present a lucrative opportunity to showcase their creativity and storytelling skills while earning a steady income. By collaborating with brands, creators can expand their reach, connect with new audiences, and solidify their position as trusted influencers within their niche. Plus, negotiating a flat rate for UGC projects ensures a stable source of income, allowing creators to focus on producing high-quality content without the uncertainty of fluctuating sponsorship deals. So whether you're a brand looking to leverage the power of UGC or a creator seeking new revenue streams, embracing user-generated content could be the key to unlocking success on Instagram. Number 5. Donations and gifts. Beyond likes and comments, Instagram offers creators another avenue to monetize their content: donations and gifts. With Instagram's virtual gifting feature, followers can show their appreciation by sending stars to their favorite creators. And for every star received, creators earn a revenue share, providing a direct and meaningful way for fans to support their favorite accounts. But it's not just about the financial reward. Donations and gifts also foster a sense of community and connection between creators and their audience. By giving fans the opportunity to contribute financially, creators can deepen their relationship with their followers and create a more engaged and supportive community. Moreover, donations and gifts on Instagram democratize the platform, allowing creators of all sizes to monetize their content, regardless of their follower count or engagement metrics. It's a win-win for both creators and fans, fostering a more sustainable and inclusive ecosystem on the platform. Number 6. Instagram subscriptions. Last but not least, Instagram subscriptions offer creators a unique opportunity to monetize their audience directly. Whether it's behind-the-scenes access, exclusive tutorials, or premium content, subscriptions allow creators to offer their most dedicated fans something special in exchange for a monthly fee. By creating a separate tab on their profile for subscriber-exclusive content, creators can provide a personalized and immersive experience for their paying fans, strengthening their connection and loyalty. And with Instagram taking no cut of the subscription revenue, creators can maximize their earnings and invest in creating even more valuable content for their subscribers. But beyond the financial benefits, Instagram subscriptions also empower creators to take creative risks and explore new formats and topics without worrying about appeasing advertisers or sponsors. It's a platform where creators have full control over their content and can truly cater to the interests and preferences of their most dedicated followers. And there you have it, 6 strategies to help you make money on Instagram like a pro. Whether you're collaborating with brands, selling merchandise, or cashing in on Instagram's bonus incentives, the opportunities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Start monetizing your Instagram presence today and turn your passion into profit. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.